I'm going to make a curry which is sort of a Malaysian-Indian curry mixture.
Okay.
But these are the gems. So what I like to do is parboil them or cook them almost all the way through.
Yeah.
And then just cut them down the centre, but leave the skin on. The reason I want to open them up is so that the inside then takes on all that lovely curry flavour. And when I say curry, I'm going to use coconut milk as well, so it's quite sweet, but also earthy, which is really nice.
Okay.
So could you cut those in half for me?
Yes, I can.
Is that all right?
Yes,
Thank you very
I
much
can,
indeed. They don't all have to be in half. That doesn't matter.
Okay.
That's fine. On here, I've got coconut cream coconut. There's a solid bit here, which is all coconut, which has been cooked.
Yeah.
And then this bit here, which is fat. And I'm going to use that instead of using oil to make my curry base. That will give me a lot more flavour. So that is literally coconut oil. But then I put a little bit of this cream coconut as well, and this starts to toast, and it becomes a toasty coconut mixture. Whilst it's not too hot, the pan's not too hot, I'm going to add to that, I've made a mix here of pounded down ginger and garlic and coriander stalks or coriander root, doesn't really matter which one.
Oh, that smells good.
Doesn't it? It smells like Asia already. If you pound something, it breaks apart naturally at the seams, which means when you cook it, you get the full flavour out of it. Whereas if you blend it, it tears it to bits, and you don't get the lovely richness that comes from it. That's why you pound things.
Right.
So then that goes in here and just cooked really quickly, so it goes fragrant.
Right, here we go.
And that smell of coriander and ginger and garlic. Once that's done, so here, coriander seeds, some turmeric, and some cumin, all roasted and then ground down. Sprinkle that over the top. This is the second layering of that spicing. Goes in. Give it a stir and it'll toast quite nicely.
Right.
A good amount of salt now, a nice bit of salt. And in the bottom of the pan, you start to see the colour.
Yep.
And that's where those bits that stick are the good bits. They're
so
the
you want
bits,
them?
Yeah, that's where the flavour comes from.
Okay.
Then, into there goes our cooked potatoes.
Okay.
And they're going to mash up a little bit, but that's fine. It's time to try and just coat them with all that lovely mixture. And see, it quickly changes.
They look good.
You could eat this like this, but I want it to be more delicious.
Okay, so you could have them like that.
You could have them like that, even if you want to do just that and some mayonnaise, it'd be fine. Lovely salad, that would be good.
Yeah.
That's up to you, but I want it to be a little bit more creamy. So,
Okay. Can
I have a tin of coconut milk from the cupboard, please? And coconut milk, here's the bit for me. Shake it, because it does separate. And it separates in the fridge and in the cupboard. Yeah. And there's the fat and then there's the water. So mix it all together. Make sure your potatoes are sizzling. And then the coconut's going to go in here and it's going to cook for about 4 or 5 minutes.
Okay.
Whilst I slice up some onions, some red onions, and they're going to be thrown in at the last minute. So in goes coconut milk.
Oh, it's my kind of dish.
And it's an odd thing, isn't it? Coconut and potato, but actually it works really, really, really nicely.
So while that cooks away, I've got here some cucumber and radishes. I'm just going to make a little pickle up to serve with the salmon. Quite nice with the potatoes as well. So I've got some rice wine vinegar that I've just heated up so I could put some sugar in it. And then
and you just made it hot?
Yeah, just to warm it through. Some fennel seeds, a teaspoon of fennel seeds and a little bit of salt. And then I'm going to just make some lovely cucumber ribbons.
Go on.
And they're going to go in there. What are you doing?
Slicing some onions to go on the potatoes.
Okay. And then turn your cucumber around. There you go. Okay, so I'm just going to put my radishes and my cucumber into a bowl and mix it through. And they can just wait until we're ready. And then they're pretty much done. And then I'll just put them into this lovely pretty glass bowl and serve them. So
Jersey rolls, creamy curried sauce with those spices and the coriander and the ginger and the garlic. Nicely. Then, right at the last minute, in go these onions while it's still hot. and then a bit of chilli. Give that a nice little stir. So the onions just go in, but they just soften, but they stay vibrant and the colour stays up. And then, right at the last minute, stir in a good amount of fresh coriander.
That looks delicious, John.
And you got yourself a nice little potato dish of spices and lovely things. Can you pass me a fork, please? Because I've just got to check something.
Oh, yeah. Is it a special check?
Just a special check.
Cook's check.
Yeah, just to check it. Yeah, it smells good.
Yeah.
That is delicious, even if I say so myself.